Welcome back, shooters, firearm collectors, and outdoor enthusiasts. I'm Rick from the Sporting Shop, located on the preserve at Boulder Hill. Our address is 87 Kingstown Road in Bucolic, Rhode Island. Get comfortable. It's time for another Rick's Pick of the Week. Our focus today is a high-quality firearm, namely Christensen firearms. Christensen Firearms was founded by Dr. Roland Christensen, who was born in Utah in 1947. He went on to earn a Ph.D. in mechanical engineering from the University of Utah. Christensen Firearms, founded in Utah in 1995, with roots in the aerospace industry. Christensen Arms developed the first carbon fiber barrel. This patent technology resulted in one of the most innovative advances in firearms within the last 2.5 decades. With over 20 years of firearm experience, focusing on using top-tier aerospace materials and processes, Christensen Arms manufactures some of the most lightweight, precise firearms in the industry and around the globe. Based in Gunnison, Utah, all of their firearms are manufactured here in the good old USA. Initially, consumers could order their Christensen firearms directly from the manufacturer, while the current practice is only to sell from firearm dealers, which brings me to proudly announce that the Sporting Shop, located on the preserve at Boulder Hill, is now a premier dealer of these exceptional firearms. So without further delay, let's look at these beautifully crafted firearms by each component. First of all, let's cover some commonalities amongst all the Christensen bolt-action firearms that include match-grade chambering, hand-lap barrel, button rifling, a removable, seamless radial brake or 3-pronged steel flash suppressor, depending upon the model, and free-floating barrels. The barrel. Christensen's technology and aerospace pedigree guarantees precise measurements and verifications of twist rates that ensure a repeatable and highly accurate rifle. Every Christensen Arms chambered is CNC machined using a minimum diameter match-grade reamers to optimize for accuracy and performance. So with that in mind, let's look just a little bit deeper. Christensen barrels are manufactured from 416R stainless steel. 416R is a stainless steel formulated specifically for gun barrels, and it is an optimum grade of stainless steel used for its uniformity and corrosion resistance. The barrel lining is button rifled, creating 6 rifling grooves and has a bore tolerance of plus or minus 0.2 of an inch. Now, what exactly is button rifling? In simple terms, button rifling is where the button is an actual tool made of tungsten carbide, and it is essentially a negative image of the barrel. The grooves or rifling are carved in relief on the button surface. The bore of the barrel is lubricated first before the button is pulled through by a hydraulic cylinder. As the hard button passes through the softer steel of the barrel, it engraves the rifling grooves on the inside of the barrel. The whole process only takes a minute or less. Another interesting thing about this process, that it must be done when the barrel is in a blank state. In other words, the barrel is a uniform cylinder. This is done so that when the forces resisting the button's movements are uniform throughout the barrel. Otherwise, the rifling will be uneven inside the barrel. Now, button rifling is a cold forming process, though there's a lot of pressure involved. Up to 60,000 psi is not uncommon, which is why this process requires a hydraulic cylinder. So as you can imagine, this involves putting a lot of stress on the barrel. Hence, the barrel must be stress relieved after the grooving operation is complete. Stress relieving is necessary due to the amount of stress exerted on the steel. If this is not done, the barrel may split or deform later when the firearm is fired. Another reason to do this is because after the grooves are cut, the barrel is further machined on one side. The muzzle end is slightly thinned, or it's machined to fit the chamber. The barrel will deform on that side due to the stresses from the button rifling operation. So stress relieve must be done first. Stress relieving is done by heating the barrel in a vacuum furnace with an inert atmosphere to about 977 to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, then slowly cooling it. And even though the barrels have been stress relieved, It's not possible to do it completely without compromising the hardness of the barrel steel. So when the barrel is machined again, the bore may open up slightly on that side, even if the machining is done on the outside of the barrel. Barrel makers use a process called lapping to restore the barrel back to a uniform bore. Now, Christensen, as I mentioned earlier, hand laps all of their bolt-action barrels. In addition, they recommend a barrel break-in. Proper barrel break-in will smooth the bore and the barrel and create better consistency and accuracy. With today's demand for accuracy, most high-quality barrel makers lap their barrels to remove minor tooling marks and create a uniform finish as possible. This is generally done when the barrel is in the blank state before the barrel has been contoured, crowned, and chambered. While this lapping technique provides great results, the post-lap machining during the chambering process adds additional tooling marks. However, it is possible to lap the barrel after chambering process. It's difficult, and it can damage the throat or create uneven gas venting behind the bullet, which can lead to poor accuracy. So again, Christensen hand laps their barrels. Christensen also recommends a live fire barrel break-in, which can minimize these potential problems and is much more fun to do. Proper barrel break-in consists of a series of shootings and cleaning sequences, and Christensen has developed what they believe to be the best sequence for proper barrel break-in. Due to the exact nature of their recommended break-in, including types of bore brushes, cleaning solvents, and techniques to accomplish the task, one should take the time to visit Christensen's website to view the directions. So that's the process for their barrel construction. What about their proprietary composite fiber finish? Designed by using precision engineering adopted from the aerospace industry, Christensen carbon fiber barrels are created using a proprietary layered design that utilizes the strength and thermal conductive benefits of carbon fiber to achieve a more consistent barrel harmonics and accuracy. Carbon fiber is a composite material, and as such, it performs very differently than metal would when utilized in firearm components. The bore of the firearm, as I mentioned earlier, is 416R stainless steel, but the exterior is carefully wrapped in a composite, which allows heat to dissipate more effectively than it would steel alone. And more effective heat dissipation between shots means less deformation, a longer barrel life, and improved accuracy. Now, sacrificing the steel doesn't make the barrel less stiff. Christensen's proprietary carbon fiber composite is 2 times stiffer and 5 times stronger than the equivalent weight of steel. The increased rigidity provided by the carbon fiber gives their barrels an improved overall barrel harmonics, and barrel harmonics means better shot-to-shot accuracy. Generally, barrels that are wrapped in carbon fiber will also weigh less than traditional steel or fluted steel options. Christensen's carbon fiber is 4 times lighter than steel, allowing the barrel to maintain essential shape and form without the weight of additional metal. This means that you can expect more out of your firearm while carrying less. Does their process improve barrel life? Christensen Arms custom carbon barrels is an elite choice and upgrade to any platform as we know now. The carbon custom barrel consists of a stainless steel select match grade barrel. The steel profile is tuned to a proprietary contour and then wound in carbon fiber utilizing a patented process. Chambering to match grade specifications, Christensen Arms carbon barrels will give the accuracy and performance enhancements that are desired of a high-end rifle. A few of the benefits of the patented carbon barrel system include lightweight barrel with the accuracy of a target bull barrel. Their carbon fiber barrel is 3 times stiffer than a steel barrel of equal weight, which reduces flex in harmonics, increasing precision. The Christensen Arms patented carbon layup process produces a barrel shell that has 0 thermal expansion coefficient, which brings you shot after shot consistency. And this barrel will perform well in any climate or temperature, and it is extremely corrosion resistant. The barrel dissipates heat from the stainless steel liner 300% faster than an all-steel barrel. Barrel life can be extended by 25%. All those factors are pretty impressive to say the least. Now, let's talk about the action. It doesn't get much slicker than that. Stainless Christensen arm actions are machined from a solid billet of heat-treated 416T stainless steel and utilize a precision surface ground recoil lugs. Christensen arm precision bolts are machined in-house and are spiral fluted and black nitride coated for smooth operation and superior wear. All the bolts utilize an M16 style extractor for proven extraction performance. All Magnum bolts use dual ejectors. Let's talk about the trigger. Christensen currently utilizes TriggerTech brand triggers in the majority of their rifles. Rifles predating 2016 may have a different trigger. TriggerTech has a patented frictionless release technology which allows you to squeeze off shot with zero creep. Frictionless release technology increases your accuracy by eliminating long and heavy pull weights. Even in the most rugged condition, it maintains its premium performance, delivering greater precision and safety with every shot. The trigger system is a factory preset with a pull weight of 3 pounds, unless specifically ordered or customized by Christensen. If alterations of the trigger are needed, contact Christensen Arms for how to proceed. For the do-it-yourselfer, it's important to know that the trigger system has tamper evidence materials on the set screws and adjustments. So again, Christian recommends contacting them directly for any modifications to the trigger. Select short-action left-handed options are available in the Christensen Mesa and Ridgeline rifles. Southpaw shooters can now enjoy a Christensen Arms firearm built just for them. The materials, components, and American craftsmanship are still the same quality product you would expect from Christensen Arms, simply adjusted to provide a comfortable experience for the other side of the gun. You asked and Christensen delivered. With the Mesa, left-handed shooters can expect premium yet accessible steel-barreled hunting rifle. The Mesa has a featherweight contoured stainless steel barrel with removable seamless radial brake and a carbon fiber composite. The left-handed model is currently offered in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 7mm 08 Remington, 6.5 PRC, 300 Win Mag, 300 PRC, and the 28 Nosler. Weighing in at only 6.5 rifles, the Mesa is the perfect rifle to carry deep into the backcountry. A step up from the Mesa, Christensen's Ridgeline. This is one of their best-selling firearms. This is a rifle featuring a signature Christensen Arms carbon fiber barrel. Left-handed shooters will also enjoy the spiral fluted boot scalloped bolt knob and carbon fiber composite stock. The Ridgeline and left-handed is available in the following chamberings: 243 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, 7mm 08 Remington, 6.5 PRC, and the 300 Win Mag, 300 PRC, and the 28 Nosler. This being said, Christensen Ridgeline is sure to impress. Last but not least, let's touch on the stock. Every great shot is achieved in part with excellent gun stocks. The best barrels, actions, and firing mechanisms still require a stable and secure base to produce an accurate firearm. A good stock is made from high-quality material that provides strength and resists changes in temperature or humidity. Christensen prefers carbon fiber for their rifles. Christensen's Arm produces 2 tiers of stocks: the carbon fiber composite stocks and the aero-grade carbon fiber stocks. Both processes produce excellent components for various models and price points. Their carbon fiber composite stocks are designed to offer the user a strong and lightweight stock at an affordable price. These gun stocks are found in the Mesa, Mesa Long Range, Ridgeline, Classic, ELR, and BT tactical rifles. They're always painted and built in a number of styles and finishes to suit a range of needs. These stocks are produced by trained composite technicians at Christensen's facility to ensure an exceptionally high-quality stock. The process involves a proprietary carbon fiber and fiberglass component. The stocks are cured before being sanded and refined throughout the finishing process. Bedding consists of spot bedding recoil lugs in conjoinment with dual IVAR pillars. An IVAR is a nickel iron alloy known for its unique low thermal expansion. Unlike aluminum pillars, IVAR pillars are impervious to temperature changes. Taking it a step further is Christensen's aero-grade carbon fiber stocks, which are engineered using advanced aerospace materials and processes to take full advantage of the superior strength of carbon fiber to produce the lightest, most rigid stocks available. As Christensen's top tiers, these stocks are lightest and the most rigid models they offer and can be found on their Summit, TI, and TFM rifles. They are offered in both natural carbon fiber and painted finishes. Again, their stocks are hand-built in-house by trained composite technicians to ensure an exceptional, high-quality stock with the ultimate strength-to-weight ratio. This is achieved with aerospace components that are hand-laid and processed by our team of technicians to construct one of the lightest and strongest stocks available on the market. These monocure structures, which the chassis is integral to the body, stocks are finished in full receiver glass bedding and carbon fiber pillars. The result is a truly remarkable feat of engineering that feels as good as it looks in your hands. The goal of these gun stocks is to provide the ultimate strength-to-weight ratio. All of Christensen gun stocks are manufactured in-house to meet the strict standards that we require for any Christensen firearm. All of our components are made in America and covered with a limited lifetime warranty. Well, thanks for listening. I know that was a long one, but a quality firearm deserves the attention it can get. If you want to check out the line of Christensen firearms, stop into the shop. As a premium dealer, we have a wide selection available for your handling and perusal. Have a great day.